Exploring the Grossulariaceae family, a focus on rebees. The Grossulariaceae family, often overshadowed by more popular plant families, holds a special place in my gardening heart. Comprising mainly of the genus rebees, this family includes a variety of plants that are both beautiful and beneficial. In this article, I'll dive into the captivating world of rebees, sharing my experiences and insights on its varieties, cultivation, and uses. What is Grossulariaceae? Grossulariaceae, commonly known as the currant family, consists of approximately 196 species primarily found in the Northern Hemisphere. This family is known for its fruit-bearing shrubs, which produce small, tart berries. The most recognized genus in this family is rebees, which encompasses several well-known species like blackcurrant, Rebees nigrum, red currant, Rebees rubrum, and gooseberries, Rebees uvicrispa. A diverse genus. Rebees is a large genus, encompassing 196 species. These species are primarily found in the temperate regions of the Northern Hemisphere, though some extend south into the Andes Mountains in South America. This wide distribution has led to a remarkable diversity within the genus, with species varying greatly in their growth habits, leaf shapes, flower colors, and fruit characteristics. See full list at monsterholic.com. The beauty of berries. One of the main reasons I love rebees is the visual appeal of the plants. Their delicate flowers, which typically bloom in spring, attract pollinators and add a splash of color to the garden. The fruit, whether red, black, or green, hangs in clusters, creating a stunning display in summer. Growing rebees can also be a delightful experience. I've had my fair share of successes and failures, but the rewards are worth the effort. The plants are relatively easy to cultivate, preferring well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. They thrive in USDA hardiness zones 3 to 8, making them suitable for a wide range of climates. Cultivating rebees. When I first started growing rebees, I followed a few essential steps that helped me achieve success. Choosing the right varieties. Not all rebees are created equal, and choosing the right variety for your garden is crucial. For beginners, I recommend starting with red currants or gooseberries. They are generally hardier and more forgiving than black currants, which can be more susceptible to diseases. I started with Rebees rubrum for its sweetness and ease of care, and it has become a staple in my garden. Soil and sunlight requirements. Rebees thrive in well-drained soil enriched with organic matter. I often amend my garden soil with compost to boost fertility. Additionally, these plants love sunlight, so I make sure to plant them in an area that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Proper sunlight not only promotes healthy growth, but also enhances the flavor of the berries. Pruning and maintenance. One aspect of caring for rebees that I learned over time is the importance of pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain plant shape and promotes better air circulation, reducing the risk of diseases. I usually prune my rebees plants in late winter or early spring, removing any dead or damaged branches to encourage new growth. The benefits of rebees. Apart from their aesthetic appeal, rebees plants offer numerous benefits. The berries are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making them a healthy addition to any diet. For instance, blackcurrants are renowned for their high vitamin C content, and I've found that incorporating them into my smoothies or baked goods has boosted my overall health. Additionally, rebees can play a vital role in sustainable gardening practices. These plants attract beneficial insects, which can help pollinate other crops in your garden. I've noticed an increase in pollinator activity since adding rebees to my landscape, which has positively impacted my entire garden ecosystem. Culinary uses of rebees. I cannot talk about rebees without mentioning the culinary delights they bring. The berries are versatile and can be used in various recipes. I enjoy making jams and jellies, where the tartness of the berries shines through. A simple blackcurrant jam has become a favorite in my household, often served with fresh bread or pastries. Moreover, I love experimenting with rebees in savory dishes. For instance, a red currant sauce pairs beautifully with roasted meats, adding a touch of acidity that balances rich flavors. I also enjoy making refreshing beverages like currant smoothies or homemade syrups for cocktails. FAQs. What is a gooseberry? A gooseberry is a fruit-bearing shrub, primarily from two species, Ribes uvicrispa, native to Europe, Africa, and Asia, and Ribes hirtellum, the American gooseberry. Hybrids of these species are common in modern cultivars. Other plants, unrelated to the genus Ribes, are also called gooseberries due to their similar fruit. Bursinema lucida, the long-key gooseberry, native to the Caribbean. Ceylon gooseberry, a species of Dovialis, native to Sri Lanka and southern India. Chinese gooseberry or kiwi fruit, the edible berry of a cultivar group of the woody vine Actinidia deliciosa, and hybrids between deliciosa and other Actinidia species. Curio harianus, a succulent native to South America that superficially resembles gooseberry. Pereschia aculeata, the Barbados gooseberry, an unusual cactus. Within family Phylanthaceae, Phyllanthus emblica, the Indian gooseberry or emblic. Jamaican gooseberry tree, an herb-like plant. The star gooseberry, meaning either. Phyllanthus acidus, the Otaheite gooseberry, the only phylanthoides with edible fruit, or Sauropus androgynus, a shrub grown in some tropical regions as a leaf vegetable. Within family Solanaceae, Physalis angulata, also called balloon or cutleaf groundcherry. Physalis peruviana, Cape gooseberry, indigenous to South America and South Africa. Withania somnifera, poison gooseberry. Where to buy gooseberries? Gooseberries can be purchased at local nurseries, garden centers, and specialty fruit markets. Online stores specializing in plants or seeds often stock gooseberry bushes or seeds. How to care for a gooseberry bush. Gooseberry bushes thrive in full sun to partial shade and prefer well-drained, fertile soil. Regular watering and annual pruning help maintain healthy growth and fruit production. Mulching around the base helps retain moisture and control weeds. How to propagate gooseberry bushes. Gooseberries can be propagated through cuttings, layering, or division. Hardwood cuttings are taken in late autumn or winter, while layering involves bending a branch to the soil and letting it root before separating it. What to plant with gooseberries. Gooseberries pair well with companion plants like chives, thyme, and strawberries, which help deter pests and enhance soil quality. Avoid planting near plants susceptible to similar diseases, such as tomatoes or potatoes. What does gooseberry smell like? The aroma of gooseberries is fresh and tangy, often described as a mix of citrus and green notes. Some varieties have a slightly sweet scent. Gooseberry bushes. Yes, deer may nibble on gooseberry bushes, particularly the leaves and young shoots. Protective fencing or netting can help prevent damage. Is a ground cherry a gooseberry? No, ground cherries, Physalis peruviana, are not true gooseberries. While they share a similar name, ground cherries belong to the Solanaceae family and produce small, golden fruit in papery husks. What color is a gooseberry? Gooseberries vary in color depending on the variety, ranging from green and yellow to red and purple when ripe. How to make gooseberry jam. To make gooseberry jam, simmer cleaned and topped gooseberries with sugar and a splash of water until thickened. For a smoother texture, mash the fruit or strain out the seeds before cooking. What is gooseberry pie? Gooseberry pie is a classic dessert made with a sweet or tart filling of gooseberries, often combined with sugar, cornstarch, and spices, baked in a pastry crust. It is a favorite in many parts of Europe and North America. Conclusion: the allure of Grossulariaceae. In conclusion, the Grossulariaceae family, particularly the Ribes genus, is a treasure trove for any gardener or culinary enthusiast. With their stunning visual appeal, ease of cultivation, and health benefits, Ribes plants deserve a place in every garden. My journey with these delightful berries has not only enriched my gardening experience, but also enhanced my culinary repertoire. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, I encourage you to explore the wonders of Ribes. You won't be disappointed.